Good morning, fourth graders. I'm glad that you have made it into Seesaw. I just want to go through kind of our morning routine that we're going to get into. So, you've already done this, but the way you got to where you are is every day you're going to click on the activity. Each morning you will see, or whenever you start, you will see that day's date. So today I clicked on Monday, March 30th. And I am going to click on the message, and so I can read it. It says, "Good morning, students. I hope you have enjoyed your break. I'm very excited to get back to learning with you today. Every day we will start our school day with a message here in Seesaw. When you are ready to learn, simply log in and click on the assignment for the day. There will always be a link to our weekly schedule attached at the bottom of the message. Some days there will be other links to videos as well. Each day there will be a question that you are asked to respond to. Your job is to post a response in any format that you choose. It can be a video, a picture, or a note. It is not meant to be long, but just shows me that you received the message for the day. I will use your response to take attendance. You can post your response to the message at any time during the day. Just don't forget to post it." So today's question, it says, the question I want you to answer today is, how are you feeling about distance learning? Okay, so I'm actually going to go out and add my response to that. So how do I feel about distance learning? I'm going to choose, I'm just going to do a quick note. You can do any of those methods that you want. I think I am feeling excited. And that's it. Okay. Maybe you're feeling nervous, maybe you're really happy to get back to things, some sort of schedule, whatever you're feeling, just go ahead and post it. Put it in a real quick sentence. It's nothing very long. It's just is meant for, this is how I'm going to be taking attendance. And then I would click on the check mark, and I have mine. I have mine in, I believe. There it is. Okay, so now for that day, my post is up, and I'm feeling excited. So that just shows that I am here for the day. Okay, and so I'm going to go back to activities, and I'm going to finish reading the message. Okay, so I'm done with this part. It says, after you answer this question, click on the links in the order below. You're going to see a link here that you just clicked on to get to this video. And then, once you watch this video, this link is going to take you to your daily schedule. Okay? So let's go through what this looks like right now. Once you click on that, you should see Distance Learning Grade 4. This is for the whole week now. Okay? There's a few slides here that I want to go through with you, but for the most part, you're going to be going through and looking at these independently on your own. So I'm going to go to Present Mode here. Okay. The first slide is simply a little bit about how this process is going to work. Start each day by reading the morning message in Seesaw, which you did, and then make sure you respond. Complete each of the lessons for today on slide 3, the next one. So today is Monday, so you'll just complete the Monday column. If you miss a day, don't just skip to the next day. Please go back and work on the lessons that you haven't done yet. Okay? And keep learning. Have fun. This is a new thing. I know you can do it. You are awesome. Okay. So Monday, March 30th, this is all you're responsible for today. Don't worry about anything coming up. If you want to start to jump ahead a little bit and you get done with everything today, feel free, right? So our morning meeting is always in Seesaw. These slides here are you're gonna click on an introduction to the book Frindle, and I'll just show you. You can see you're gonna start this book today, but there's a little bit of information about the author, where the story takes place, and what you're going to be doing at the end of the book. So a one-pager is coming when the book is completed. And so here is some questions to listen for as you listen to chapter 1 of Frindle. And then you're also going to listen to chapter 2 and another goal for you to do as you are listening. Okay? You can do these in any order. You do not have to do these in these order. Pick and choose, and you don't do it all at once. Right? Uses your time how you see fit. Independent reading. These slides are going to tell you a little bit about our independent reading time and what's expected of you there. Here's a video on IXL and a reminder of how to get into Think Central. Your job really is to just get into IXL today and explore. Win time is going to be different for each student. So there's slides here that explain that. And then You also should see your specialist. Today is Media Tech, and so you will get in through Seesaw with them as well. You'll be able to click on your Media Tech teacher in your options in Seesaw. And then there's a form that I want you to fill out at the end of the day when your learning is completed, just to reflect on how you did. So you click on this and it'll bring you right to your Google form. Okay. So this really is your process every day. You'll come to this. I'll link this into this message each day. You're going to see this link and it's going to bring you, and that's your list of activities with all your links of how to get and your links of where you need to go and what you need to do. So if at any time at all you have any questions at all, please message me on Seesaw or Google Classroom. Families, you can send me emails as well. You can just post another message to this assignment if you have a question about today or this week. I'll get notified every time you post something. Now, let's get in and let's begin. Let's have a marvelous Monday.